Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Palu token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Palu's is a meme coin roller coaster peak with CZ linked pump and finance driven dumps token. Palu's volatility reflects meme coin season's extremes, explosive gains from influencers, notes and catastrophic drops on regulatory shifts. While Binance meme rush could stabilize the ecosystem, Palu's recovery depends on broader BNB chain momentum. Palu's token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion Palu token. Palu token is listed on Binance Alpha, BingX, MEXA and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.